So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download as a PNG file here on Visme. So the first thing you have to do is obviously create your design and have it completed. So if I wanted to have this purple background, I'll go to the Photos tab right here. And how about I wanted to add, I'll just scroll down. I'll use this image right here of a couple of chairs. Maybe I wanted to add another photo as well. So I'll just go to Photos right here, the Photos tab, and I wanted to go to this one right here of a couple computers. So there you go. That's my presentation. Now, if you wanted to save this as a PNG or download it as a PNG file, it's very straightforward. Go to the top right area right here, in between present and share. Go ahead and press on the download button right here. Then once you're on this screen, as of right now, JPG file is currently selected, but if you want to change it to a PNG file, simply just press on PNG right here to make sure that it's highlighted right here. Then once that is done, go to the bottom, press on download, and there you go. That's how you guys can download a design as a PNG file here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.